Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through my chest routine and how to build a solid chest. No BS, going to take you through all the foundations, the sets, the reps, the little coaching cues and the little tips that I can use to build yourself an awesome chest and look like your favorite Avenger. Make sure if you do enjoy the video, you give it a like, you give it a subscribe so that we know that you guys like this content. We can put more of this out for you. So, without further ado, please enjoy an awesome chest session. From here, you're just going to go set up underneath the bar. Hands roughly shoulder width apart, pushing up, coming down to the bottom part of your chest, coming up to full extension with those arms. Breathe out on the way up, breathe in on the way down. Engage those triceps. That tricep strength is very important. Once you're done, about 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps, rack. Another great builder for your chest is just flat dumbbell press. So same principles apply, coming down and then coming up to full extension. Remember to breathe and squeeze that chest. Increase the time under tension if you need, increase the intensity with however your chest is responding and your body's responding to you. This is a great exercise to build that volume in that chest. Alternatively, if you do need to regress to a machine, please find the chest press machine and the same principles apply. Squeezing that chest every rep, staying focused, keeping that time under tension, increasing that load throughout your sets and your reps. Next one is that incline dumbbell press, which helps work the upper part of the chest. Notice how I'm slowing down and really focusing on technique, because technique here is vital. If you want a solid chest, you need to get a solid technique. Remember, breathe out on the way up. Next one, we have the chest pull-throughs. So it's simulating the cables, but you're using dumbbells. Pushing through, getting that chest towards the top, getting that nice squeeze, building that solid foundation in your chest. Again, change legs and keep that going. Again, about 3 sets of about 10 reps to start off with. Another great chest builder is the dumbbell pull through with the heavier dumbbell. You're going to grab it like so, pull it back, and then squeeze that chest on the way up. You're going to feel that nice stretch throughout your chest. And now you're doing a more fulfilled chest workout. Again, 3 to 4 sets of about 8 to 12 reps. However, if you are increasing the volume and the amount of reps that you are doing, please decrease the weight and vice versa. Another great fundamental exercise for your chest are the dumbbell flies. Holding it like so, slight bend in the elbows. Again, squeezing that chest every rep. Engaging that chest is vital, otherwise you're just wasting your time. Like so, again, 8 to 10 reps, about 3 sets. Alternatively, if you need to use a machine for your flies, it can be done with the seated machine here. Again, squeezing every single rep, maintaining that mind to muscle connection, staying focused on your goals and your dreams. 8 to 12 reps, 3 to 4 sets. If you are decreasing the amount of sets, please increase the intensity of your workout. At the end of every chest session, it's very important to recover and stretch out your chest because your muscles will get tight. Loosen them up by conducting a chest stretch like so. Take your time. You've got plenty of stretching to do. Stretch after every workout. And if you want, stretch before as well. It's up to you. All right, guys, there you have it. There's my chest routine. Make sure you follow that for about 6 to 8 weeks and you should see some significant results, provided that you sleep properly and you eat properly. Nutrition is absolute key in this process. If you are doing a cut, you'll notice gains a bit slower than if you're doing a bulk. It depends on your calories in and what your sort of activity you're doing throughout the day. Depends on your job, depends on how active of a person you are. If you guys did enjoy this kind of content, please give it a like, give it a subscribe, and guys, stay awesome.